Today, we're diving into a flooring option that's been making waves in the home improvement world, COREtec Cairo Oak. If you're considering a flooring upgrade, stick around to see if this is the right fit for your space. Let's get started. First off, let's dive into the product specs. Each plank of Cairo oak measures 9 inches wide by 73 inches long, giving your space a more open and spacious feel. The solid polymer core enhances stability, preventing warping or buckling over time. On top of that, it's 100% waterproof, kid-proof, and pet-proof, making it perfect for managing spills, accidents, and everyday messes. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, or basement, this flooring delivers on performance. Moving on to the design details, the intricate embossing and enhanced painted bevels contribute to a more defined plank appearance, delivering a realistic wood look ideal for those seeking a luxurious flooring option. To complete the look, Cairo Oak features a warm natural wood appearance with subtle variations that closely resemble genuine hardwood. COREtec also offers a full range of coordinating trim and transition pieces to give your floor a professional finished look. When it comes to durability, Cairo Oak gets the job done. It features a UV acrylic finish, making it tough and providing superior stain resistance and cleanability. It also has a 20 mil wear layer, making it exceptionally resistant to scratches and everyday wear and tear. Never needs sanding, sealing, or refinishing. In terms of comfort, each plank includes a 4 mm thick core and a 1.2 mm pre-attached cork underlayment, which not only provides a softer feel underfoot, but also helps in reducing noise, perfect for large families and busy households. Now turning to the installation process, it utilizes either a floating or direct glue method and an easy-to-use angle tap system. Check out this short video.
So what we're going to demonstrate here is the angle tap. And basically what happens is a long joint goes in the same way. You lock it first and you leave a slight gap at your end joint here.
Okay.
So that was your angle. Then you basically use a scrap piece of material. And this is what we call a bridge. So that basically you want to put that on the joint here so it keeps those joints aligned up. So then you would take a tapping block and a hammer and place it on the end of the plank. And you want to tap this joint until it's closed.
Okay. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Now I don't see like I see the bevel that was already here, but I don't see any gaps here.
So that's basically what we call the angle tap method.
There's no need for an acclimation period. You can install above, on, or below grade and use your floors right away. Plus, it stands up to extreme temperature fluctuations, making it great for sunrooms or homes in variable climates. When it comes to maintenance, regular sweeping and occasional damp mopping will ensure your floors remain in pristine condition. Encore is the recommended cleaner for COREtec floors. This pH-neutral cleaner removes dirt, grease, and scuffs to leave your floors sparkling clean, with no need to rinse. It's important to use the right cleaning tools. Avoid mop and shine cleaners and don't use vacuums with rotating beater bars on any hard surface to prevent damaging your floors. As for the packaging, each carton contains approximately 36.64 square feet, which is 8 pieces per box, and the weight per box is approximately 65 pounds. If you order a pallet, you will receive 48 boxes. In terms of certifications and warranty, Cairo Oak is Floor Score certified, meaning it meets strict indoor air quality standards for a healthier indoor environment. You'll get peace of mind with the lifetime limited residential warranty and a 15-year heavy commercial warranty, but here's something very important. To keep the warranty valid, you'll need to use the COREtec Groundwork 6 mil black poly underlayment. This underlayment is specifically approved by Shaw for use under COREtec floors. It's designed to eliminate moisture issues when installing over concrete on any grade level. It's 6 mil thick, made in the USA, and comes in 100 square foot rolls. each roll measuring 46 inches wide by 26.33 feet long. And it contains recycled content, which is a plus if you're eco-conscious. Skipping this step could void your warranty, so make sure the groundwork 6mm underlayment is part of your installation, especially if you're installing over concrete. If you're interested in learning more about COREtec Cairo Oak, visit georgiacarpet.com or click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.